Hello, and we're gonna play Catbird. So, this is technically like those games where you try to get home and stuff. Hello, world. Why does it say that? Okay. The pit. Oh wait, so you can hold. Just let me die. Ugh. Get me out! No! You're slow. Oh. What's this? Oh, it's like, what was that? What was that? Wait, what if we just... Yeah. Jump me up! Up! Ah, let's go! Can I kill you? Sorry for saying that. No! Wait, what was that? Oh my gosh, I keep pressing that. Wait, no, I don't want to press that. Let me get this crown for a sec. Crown? Wait, did I just lose some feathers because of that? Yeah. Does that do anything? Oh, okay, never mind. Nothing matters anymore. Oh my gosh. Okay. Dang. Die, Potato, die. I beg you. Hi. Oh my gosh. Oh, wait, I know what to do. Put this down over here. And then... Die, Potato, die. What? You didn't die? Okay, I'm not surprised. You're not. What happened? You know what? I could just do this. Wait. Let sweet noises go. Come on. Let's go. Okay. But no, me phone. What was this? Sad ad. There was a sad ad. I guess I'm over here. What the? Buzz cut. I'm guessing we're over here. Oh yeah, we are. Oh wait, yeah, we did. Okay, wait. I'm sorry, we did actually beat this one. I remember now. What does this do? Can I have a buzz cut? Oh. What are we supposed to do? I guess we're supposed to like put boxes on here. Wait. Oh my gosh. Ugh. Yep. Okay. Push. Aha, no buzz cut. Push. Oh my gosh, that scared me. Push. Yeesh. Ah, nope. Push. Okay, that was... Yeah. Oh no, storage space.